Hello my friends, long time no see. Not really, but it feels like I haven't vlogged in forever. I'm out running a few quick errands right now. I just had to go to Target, so maybe I'll do a little Target haul when I get home. And then I just hit the grocery store. I'm gonna get some salmon and cook it for dinner. So I'm gonna vlog that because a while ago I told you guys I felt like I perfected my salmon recipe. So I'm gonna share that later. I've been getting some messages about you guys trying my turkey bowl recipe and that makes me happy. Actually, let's just do Target haul now. The bag is in the trunk, but I'll just grab it real quick. I didn't get anything particularly interesting, but that never stopped me before. So let's see, how can I should have brought the little freaking tripod because there's nowhere in this car that makes sense. And I don't want to hold the camera. I got some lighters because I have not had any to light my candles with. One thing I realized recently when I was getting dressed to go out somewhere was that I have very few full-length tank tops. Everything is a goddamn crop top, and I feel like I'm just over the crop tops a little bit. I don't know. I don't normally go out showing a lot of skin. I don't know. It's just not my preference. It's not how I feel most confident. And that's not always the case. Sometimes I'll step out of my comfort zone, but it's not often. So I got a couple of tank tops. Full length freaking tank tops because I feel like I just didn't have any. Every tank top that I own is above my belly button. And when I wanna just go out to run some errands and some joggers, some low-waisted joggers, and then a tank top, I don't always want my belly showing just for comfort reasons. I don't know. I don't know. But I wanted some full-length tanks. So I got these, they're literally $8 and they're a high neck tank top. So I got a black one and then I got this brownish, grayish, I don't know what this color is, but cute. And then recently I went and got a white one. So now I have a white, a black, and this neutral color. So if you need any full-length tanks, I know Walmart has good ones. I never go to Walmart, but I've been seeing on my For You page on TikTok these viral Walmart tank tops. But if you don't go to Walmart like me, Target has great affordable plain ass tanks. And then I got this is literally the third one of these that I've bought. It's the Olive and June nail polish remover pot. I love that you can just stick your finger in this and swirl it around and then your nail polish comes off. It's just more convenient, not messy at all. So I needed a new one of these because my other one was drying up a bit. So I highly recommend this if you paint your nails a lot like I do. We're currently rocking a cute little summer orange. And then what else did I get? Multivitamin. Yes, I take gummy vitamins, okay? And then I got some Perrier sparkling water. You guys, we need to have a talk. I cannot be the only person that this has happened to. Okay, so my entire adult life, I've not enjoyed sparkling water at all. A few years ago, probably 5 years ago at this point, oh my god, I went to Germany with Gymshark and with Evogen actually. So I went to Germany 2 different times, and whichever one was the first time that I had ever been to Europe, I think it was FIBO, and I went with Evogen. So it was my first time in Europe, and I feel like I couldn't find still water anywhere. Everywhere I went there was sparkling water, and I just wanted some plain spring water, and I couldn't find any water without bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles.
And that was just me not knowing what the hell was going on in Europe, I guess, and just I don't know. I was just so shocked by that. So since then, and even before then, I just wasn't a fan of sparkling water ever. And then I don't know, it was maybe 6 months ago, maybe, I don't even know. This year sometime, I wanna say, I started sort of testing the waters, testing the waters. That's funny, that's very punny of me, and that was unintended. But anyway, so I was testing sparkling water here and there, trying like some of the flavored ones and stuff like that they have at Whole Foods. They always have the single cans at Whole Foods, so I was just like kind of dabbling. And I don't know when it happened, but I just one day decided I'm not drinking still water anymore. I want my water with bubbles or I don't want it. And I'm talking in my water bottle throughout the day, plain sparkling water. With dinner, I'm having a flavored one. I'm having a tropical fruit Waterloo. It blows my mind how your preferences can change over time, because I was a hater. I was a massive hater of sparkling water. My mom drinks it all the time and I used to be like, oh my God, why are you drinking that? Like, bleh. She would always put it in her Yeti, and it was just a thing that I never could get behind. And then a switch was flipped, a flip was switched, and now I cannot get enough of the stuff. I buy it by the case, I buy plain and I buy flavored. The only time I drink still water at this point is when I'm working out. When I have a shaker cup and I'm putting Evogen supplements in and working out. But even then, I bring my water bottle either to the gym or downstairs into my home gym of my sparkling water. So I'm double fisting the still water with the yummy Evogen and then the plain sparkling. So I am a convert. Let me know if this has happened to you. Like, is there something that you absolutely just like couldn't stand, and then over time you just like found yourself starting to love it? I need to know, because this blows my mind that I was such a hater, and now if my water doesn't have bubbles, I don't want it. So anyway, I bought some Perrier, knowing damn well that I already have a case of sparkling Trader Joe's water at home, because I can't run out. When I run out, I get upset, and then I have to fill my water with still water from the fridge. And to me, that just doesn't do it for me anymore. Something about the crispiness just makes me feel so refreshed and so like, so that's my story. That's my rant on sparkling water. Do you guys like sparkling water or do you prefer still? Let me know in the comments. But anyway, that's all I got from Target. And then I went to this local grocery store real quick and I got some salmon, like I said. And what else did I even get? I got some coleslaw. I love a coleslaw in the summer, and it's like a pre-made one. I got a salad, some watermelon, and just like little stuff like that. So I'm headed home now. I have to pee so bad because... Okay, this is so cute. Hard Candy sent me a little PR package. They're a drugstore makeup brand. Sent me this little box with the new Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil. It sounds lovely, and there's all these Crystal Clarity, Berry Divine, Deep Desire, Peach Dream, Pink Paradise, and Scarlet Bliss. So cute. And they sent me stickers. I love stickers. These are so cute. And look at this. They sent me every single one. And this adorable little tote bag. Look at this. It is so cute. It's like, it's little. Look. I'm obsessed. So here's all the different shades. I'm so excited to try these. They are gonna retail for $7.96. Dior lip oil is like 40 bucks. So if this is good, I'll be pumped. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I'm gonna open up Peach Dream. Let me set you down. Okay, we'll make it work. This is Peach Dream. Packaging is cute, look at that. It matches my nails perfectly. That's so cute. It has the big applicator, which I love. Ooh. It smells very like fruity, like literally candy. It's packed with goodies, vitamin E, jojoba seed oil, and squalene to soften and condition the lips, restore hydration, and it feels nice. I like it. So that's the Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil. First impression, I like it, but I'll update you guys as I wear it throughout the day. It smells really good. Okay, let's make some salmon for dinner. I am no Chef Boyardee, but every time I've cooked my salmon like this, it turns out really, really tasty and delicious. So I'm gonna show you what I do. But first, we're gonna wash our hands. Don't forget to wash your hands before you start cooking. So my big three are a little bit of olive oil, some butter, and some minced garlic. So I'm just adding a tiny bit of olive oil and then coating the salmon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of butter, just like some little dollops down the salmon. And then add the minced garlic on top of that. So it turns into like a yummy little garlic butter situation. And for me, too much garlic ain't enough garlic. So I'm adding quite a bit of minced garlic, and then I will use some garlic salt for seasoning as well, but we'll get there. You see me piling that garlic on. And just making sure that it is evenly distributed throughout the fillet. Hello, Riggs. Hi. Riggs likes to monitor my cooking just to make sure I don't screw anything up. But I'm adding my seasoning now. So I just added a little bit of onion salt, some crushed red peppers, and then I'm also adding sriracha seasoning from Trader Joe's. I love that stuff. And some garlic salt. And then we're going to go ahead and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 16 minutes. Look at that. It is so perfect every time. Good morning. I have to go to the eye doctor to get new contacts. So let's go. I got my prescription refilled. I got my eyes checked. If you've gone to the eye doctor like in adulthood and they do that little thing where they like puff the air in your eye, that always shocks me so much. Like the anticipation of just waiting for it, and it's like, it doesn't hurt or anything, but it's just like, every time I come here, I just go to like a chain eye doctor place. So every time I come, it's a different doctor. And last time it was a woman and she was like so kind. She actually gave me a tampon because I needed one. So this time it was like an older gentleman, I would say like in his late 60s, early 70s maybe. Such a nice guy. And of course he's asking what I do for work. And I say, you know, oh, I work online. I work in the fitness industry, like training and stuff like that. And he says, and this is the bane of anyone who lifts existence. Oh, no wonder you're so skinny. Ah! Like, sir. I was like, of course I'm in like a big hoodie. So I'm like, I got some muscles under here. Trying to freaking prove myself. That's that. Headed home. Eye doctor, done. Just started a new book on Audible. So you guys may know that I am currently reading Pride and Prejudice. I'm only like 100 pages in, 100 and change, but I started an Audible book called The Inmate by Frida McFadden, who I told you guys about in a recent video. She just does it for me. So I started The Inmate. I'm on chapter 2. This is gonna be my little like driving book, and I'll let you guys know how it is. But the little like excerpt where they tell you what the book is about, it hooked me right in, baby. Oh God, I love the drama. Okay, I am going to shut this video down here. After I mentioned my salmon recipe, I did get a couple of messages like, hello, you said you were gonna make the salmon. So if you guys have requests, I will get to them. Furthermore, I have not announced this on YouTube yet. I have just launched my very own fitness app, the LF Training app. It just launched about a month ago in mid-June, and I have been having so much fun creating content exclusively for the app, training programs for the gym, for at home, routines for warming up, and so much more to come. So be sure to check it out. I will put a link in the description box. You get to work out for 7 days completely free. We have a nutrition guide. There's just so much information. I just cannot wait to continue to share everything that I've learned along the way with you guys and give you all the tools needed to help you reach success in and out of the gym. So I hope that you guys will check it out and start your little free trial, and you can go ahead and have a look around and see everything that's in there. Very soon I will be releasing a dumbbell only program, which I'm super excited about. I love a dumbbell only workout. Beyond that, there will also be my very own weekly workouts uploaded into the app. So workouts that I'm doing every single week so that you guys can see exactly the type of training that I'm doing. And I also have, and this is something that I haven't even announced yet, but I have a challenge in the works for the fall. So we have a fall challenge coming up that will be facilitated through my app. So I will keep you guys posted on that. There will be prizes and it'll be such a good way to train together and hold each other accountable. There will be a Facebook community and it'll just be so fun. I cannot wait to get fit for the fall with you guys, but it's still summer, so let's take it one step at a time. You guys see that? I got a new picture for this room. I want to show you what it says. So first, I don't know if I ever showed you this one, but it says change your thoughts, change your world, and I love it. It is okay to live a life that others do not understand. Nothing is a waste of time in the pursuit of what makes you feel alive. I just thought that was so cute and I wanted to share it because the quote is something that we could all benefit from. It doesn't matter what other people think. It doesn't matter if you live your life differently than other people. We are all different and unique and we have different interests and skill sets, and it is important that we acknowledge that. We're not supposed to all be living the same life. So I'll leave you with that. I will see you super soon for another video. We have a TLF haul coming. I got some new colors. Let's just do a little sneak peek because I'm here. We have dark purple. Look at how gorgeous. We have a new sage green, which you know, I love sage green. Find me a redhead that doesn't love wearing green, that doesn't feel like a bad bitch in green. I will see you soon for the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have an amazing week and I'll see you soon. Bye.